Hi, I'm Amanda from Interstate Homes, and today I'm going to show you how to seal your quartz countertops with more premium quartz sealer. It's really important to know a few simple things about stone so you can care for it properly. All stone is porous, so it's important to protect and fill these pores so that the things like coffee, wine, liquid condiments, and other household items don't leach in and stain your countertops. I love that this sealer is water-based, so tool cleanup is easy. It's antimicrobial and low odor, so you don't have to worry about smelly chemicals in your kitchen. You'll know it's time to seal your countertops by performing this simple test. Pour a little water on your countertop and let it sit for an hour. If it beads up and wipes away without making the stone darker, your countertop sealer is still working. If it leaves a dark spot where the water was absorbed into the stone's pores, it's time to reseal. Let the water spot dry so the stone is back to its natural color before you start sealing. When it's time to start sealing, make sure your countertops are clean. During the first coat, evenly spread the sealer so it doesn't dry or pool up in any one spot. Set a timer for 15 minutes to give the sealer time to soak into the stone. After the 15 minutes is up, use a clean rag or paper towels and wipe it down evenly. Repeat this process 2 more times for a total of 3 coats. That's how easy it is to seal your countertops with more Premium Plus Stone Sealer. Be sure to check out our other videos on how to clean your stone countertops with more Daily Stone and Quartz Cleaner Plus Protector, and how to give them a great facelift using more stone and quartz polish. You can get Moore's Premium Plus Stone Sealer and all the other great Moore products for 10% off when you order at countertopsource.com.